this is the last video you ever see of me. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Welcome back to another episode. This one was unexpected. Well, I wasn't expecting to film anyways, but as you can see by some of the footage, I'm back up in Barry's Bay again, out with my buddy Steve, and we're touring around in this beast. Check this out. We don't want anybody to know where this spot is. So you can guess where this spot is. So anyways, there's my buddy Steve. You know, you guys have seen him before. Check this little fort out. Goes right down inside here. There's even a bench inside. You can see a bunch of the birch on the side there. Somebody took some time to put this together. This has been here for a while. Wow, that's quite something, eh? You can see right into the back there. If you did this up, that'd be quite the shelter. Anyways, we took a trail down to the lake. We're not gonna go out onto it. It's not frozen enough. Ice isn't thick enough. It's just been too mild. But we decided to come out for a bit of a tour. We're gonna call this the secret location, because this is pretty sweet. We saw about 5 or 6 deer cross the trail about, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes ago or something. I didn't have the camera rolling at the time, or I don't think I did. I'll know when I look at the footage, but we'll take a look real quick at the setup here. Look at these tracks. This is the Honda Pioneer, and Steve's fitted out for winter, so it's got the full cover, front windscreen, side doors, geared up for some awesome touring in the wintertime. Here's an update. Somehow we had an issue with the machine and won't start. Don't know why. Probably my fault. Whatever, it is what it is. So we're actually walking out of the bush and out to a highway to have somebody come pick us up.
Nice day for a walk.
Nice day for a walk, New Year's Eve. That's the update. We'll have to come out tomorrow with a booster pack. Hopefully that's the only thing that's going on with the machine. Nice day for a walk. I'll update you later. Okay, you probably can't see a thing. Look at that. It's pitch black. Look, there's the sky, the trees. All right, here's the update. I'm using the light off of my cell phone. We made it out of the bush. We're on the road. We called for somebody to come and pick us up. Good morning. Okay, quick update from last night. We're out touring on the machine down to the beautiful secret location we're not going to talk about. We're heading back. We've got We got tools, booster pack, we got all the things, hopefully, that we need to get the machine going again. So we're on our way. We got to hike back in, and then hopefully we can get the machine going. This was not an intended video. I bring my camera with me pretty much everywhere I go. So I said, let's do it. So we're bringing you guys with us. This is like our ATV adventure. All right, see you soon. So we parked on the side of the road. We've hiked in about 25 to 30 minutes, roughly. A little better today because the temperature dropped overnight, which actually made the snowpack a little bit more firm, easier for us to walk. We got tools and a booster pack and kind of all that stuff. So we're gonna get started on that, see what we can get done here, and hopefully we're good to go. All right, come on, machine, let's get you started. Can you hear that? That's a good sound. So we took the top panel off to get into some of the wiring over to the starter switch. Steve's down in here. Took the panel off of the battery, checked the fuses were all fine, but it seemed as though there was maybe a short in the wires that hooked up the winch. So disconnected that, used the power pack, the booster pack, turn it on, we had power, fired up, so we're good. That's a good sign. So let's keep this going. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Woo! Oh, wow. That's good. That's a good sign. We're not walking out again. And we're not leaving a expensive toy sitting by the lake. Turning it off? No.